normally feel that? Are we in a state to appreciate this thing? Wah, bijli hai. Nobody says. Everybody says, bijli aa gayi, badi khushi hui. पर हुण इस वेले बिजली है तो जे मैं मेंशन ना करता तो किसी का ध्यान भी नहीं सीगा कि हाँ बिजली है, यह भी एक सुख दा कारण है, राइट? बिजली दे जान नाल ही बिजली दे आन दा सानू सुख महसूस हो रहा है. वी फील हैप्पी व्हेन द पावर आफ्टर फेलियर इज रिस्टोर्ड. So we have to generalize this thing in a manner that दुख दे आन नाल ही सानू हुंदा है सुख दा एहसास. जे साडी लाइफ विच दुख आएगा तां ही सानू पता चलेगा कि सुख की चीज है. जद तक साडी लाइफ विच, साडी जिंदगी विच कदी दुख नहीं आया, सानू उहदे ऑपोजिट, उहदे कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी, उहदे पूरक सुख दा एहसास ही नहीं होएगा. सो व्हाट्स द बेस्ट वे आउट? जदों दुख आए, let's not take it as a dukh. Let's take it as a means by which we shall be there after experiencing sukh. Let the sorrow be taken as a thing to experience happiness. जदों happiness है, we be happy. जदों sorrow है, we take it as a means by which we can ultimately be happy. Just because it's complementing the happiness, right? We do a practical drill again. There's not time enough to do that drill right now. What we do is that we take a small coin and then ask any little kid that, okay, I'm going to toss the coin. Punjabi ch kehte hain head mangya ke tail mangi, and say the boy says ki I want head mang liya. Okay, we flip the coin और बाद कॉइन आ गया. उन्होंने कहते अच्छा हाँ, यू वांटेड हेड ना, ठीक है जी, नाउ यू टेक द हेड. कॉइन तो हेड ले ले अपना. व्हेन ही ट्राइज टू पिक द हेड, ही कैन नॉट. व्हेन ही ट्राइज टू पिक द हेड फ्रॉम द कॉइन, ही इज अनेबल टू, ही इज कंफ्यूज्ड. वो कहता हेड मांगा तो था, हेड आ भी गया, हेड कैसे लूं मैं? कैसे लेने, देख ले, दिस यू हैव टू सी. नहीं, मैं हेड उठाऊंगा तो साथ में टेल भी आएगा, है ना? तो दिस इज वन थिंग विच यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड. असी मंगिया की है सुख. जदों असी सुख लवांगे ते सुख ऐसा आएगा ही नहीं. सुख लवांगे ते सुख दे नाल दुख तां आएगा ही आएगा. बिकॉज हेड एंड टेल आर two sides of the same coin. Similarly, the happiness and the sorrow are just in the same manner two sides of the same coin. This understanding itself can relieve us from many sorrows, can lead us to many joyous and happy situations. This is something again we have to understand. This is something we have to experience. And if I am not going in for an overdose of the knowledge in this short session, the other point is acceptance. It can be framed as acceptance is equal to peace of mind. Acceptance is equal to peace of mind, and non-acceptance is equal to pieces of mind. Right? So, what is pain? Nothing but resistance. Anything which is happening, when we resist, we are in pain. When we accept, then we are happy. As simple. Difficult to understand, difficult to accept. There is a resistance within us. नहीं, ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਖਾਲੀ ਕਹਿਣ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ, ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟੀਕਲੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਬੜਾ ਔਖਾ ਹੈ. It's what? It's again a resistance. And then many a times our mind, it revolts that if we start accepting the things, then काम किਵੇਂ होएगा? फिर ਤਾਂ जो मर्जी करी जाए इसका एक्सेप्ट ही कर लिया, फिर ਤਾਂ प्रोग्रेस किਵੇਂ होएगी, फिर ਤਾਂ and so on and so forth. All right, I elaborate, I stop here for a moment and just elaborate this point, that acceptance should not be confused with non-action. क्योंकि जे यह मंच विचार आ रहा है कि acceptance means फिर तो कुछ काम ही नहीं होएगा, right? The whole thing will come to stand still, or at least as far as I am concerned, my progress will come to stand still, my achievements will be zero. Then just to, take away this doubt, I just say that acceptance should not be confused with non-action. Because it said that given any situation, we have one of the three sensible options. Option number one, we are in a situation and the situation is not comfortable. The first option is we act to change the situation. We act to improve the situation. We act to make the situation comfortable. I will give an example later. Option number two, if that thing is not possible, we remove ourselves from the situation which is uncomfortable. And the third point, if that is also not possible, then and only then we must accept the situation as it is. Now, the same thing I give with an example of a person who's sitting next to a person who happens to vomit. Right? The situation becomes uncomfortable. Right? So again, the first sensible thing to be done is what has made the situation uncomfortable? The vomit. What should the person do? Act to make that situation comfortable by changing the situation. Get a mopper, राख लो, पोछा लो, साफ करो. जे आप नहीं कर सकते तो किसी को कहो कर दे, and you clean that place. You change the situation. You make that uncomfortable situation now comfortable. This is sensible option number one. Sensible option number two. Suppose you are in a kind of situation, you are watching a movie where it's not possible in a cinema theater hall to clean that place. You don't have that mopper, you don't have any person. And which is the second sensible option? You remove yourself from that situation. उठ के चले जाओ, ना देखो मूवी, किसी और थां पे चले जाओ, ये सीट खाली है था, नहीं तो बाहर चले जाओ. And suppose you say, no, I am traveling in a bus and there that thing happens where situation number one is also not possible, where situation number two is also not possible. I cannot leave that situation. There the third sensible thing to be done is that you accept that situation as it is. Right? Because anything we do other than these three things is not sensible. These are the only three sensible options. But what we most of the times do is something other than these three. We fret, we fume, we blame. असी कुछ ना कुछ बोलांगे, करांगे, चाहे उतो ना बोलिए, अंदरों अंदर रिएक्ट कर दे रहांगे. Person discovers कि ਉਹਦਾ 14 ਸਾਲ ਦਾ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਐਂਡ ਹੀ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਡਰਗ ਐਡਿਕਟ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਅਚਾਨਕ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਹ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਨੀਡਲਸ ਦੇ ਨਿਸ਼ਾਨ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਜਦੋਂ ਥੋੜਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਬ ਕੀਤਾ ਤਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਚੱਲਿਆ he's been taking drugs for last 3 years. Of course, he should not leave the situation, right? He should act. It is his parental duty to act, to see how he has gone into that action, to see how he can be taken out from that. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ rehabilitation center ਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਜਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. But before that, he has to first of all accept the situation that his son is a drug addict. What happens most of the time, people they go in denial mode. मेरा बच्चा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. They don't accept it. They don't accept it. Fail हो गया third semester इच ना जी तो possible ही नहीं हैगा. They don't accept it. Until or unless you do not accept, you cannot improve. So this is yet another point that normally this non-acceptance, normally this resistance is giving us pain, right? And once we start accepting, we stop resisting, the pain will not be there, and of course we shall be happy. Another point, because I have to be short and fast, just 5 minutes left. I have accepted that I have only 45 minutes, right? Most of the times the problem is that, like for example, if I ask any person at random, ਕਿਸੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਵਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਦੀ ਘੜੀ 'ਚ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਹਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਬੰਦੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੈ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਮਰ 'ਚ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਹੈ ਛੋਟੇ ਹੈ ਕੁਆਲੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਤੋਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ ਘੱਟ ਹੈ ਅਮੀਰ ਹੈ ਗਰੀਬ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਸਮਝ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੈ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ who is the wisest of all? Obviously everybody will think ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਬਾਕੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਛੱਡੋ ਜੀ ਪਰ ਸਮਝਦਾਰ ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਹੀ ਹਾਂ, right? And knowing this fact well, what happens? You know, most of the times when we are dressing, we look at the mirror number of times. 5-6 बारी शीशा देखा, फिर बाहर निकल गए, फिर घर आए, फिर दोबारा शीशा देखा. Why? Because we are too bogged down by the public image. What other people think about me, I am more worried about that thing. I'm more concerned about what others will say, what others will